Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whether the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the last class, I had given what we were studying. We were studying
Hints.
hints to remember the what?
Carrying zero forces.
Yes, the members which are carrying zero forces. Correct, na? Yes. What is the first hint? So whenever a joint is having a 3 members, okay, among 3 members, the 2 are in line and the fourth and third member is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Another hint is when a joint is having a 2 members and in that 2 members there is no external load, there is no support, then the forces in 2 members is equal to 0. Okay. So by utilizing those 2 hints, we were calculating the number of 0 member forces in a given truss. Okay. So whether this problem was, is it solved? Is it solved or not? Second one. ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया था क्या? सेकेंड वन. यस, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया था क्या नहीं? सेकेंड वन.
No, sir.
No, na?
No, sir.
Okay. The first one I had given for homework, correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
can
sir.
anybody tell me what is, how many members are 0 member forces? First one.
10 member force.
One answer is 10. Next answer. Next.
8.
Yes, 8. Okay, next answer. Only 2 members have solved out of 60.
8, sir.
8. Okay, next answer is also 8. Next.
Sir, again, sir.
Huh? Yes.
10 मेरा भी आया.
10, na? Yes, 10. Next. Is there any other answers other than 10?
10, sir.
10. Okay. Okay. We'll see how many member forces are 0 member forces. All of you concentrate. So what is your first hint? First hint is when a joint is subjected to 3 members. Okay, 3 members. Among these 3 members, 2 are in line. These 2 are in line. Correct? The force in third member is equal to 0. Is it correct? First hint.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Next, second hint. Whenever a joint is subjected to only 2 members and there is no external load, there is no support. Okay. In that case, the forces in the 2 members is equal to 0. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Coming to the first figure. Okay. See, how many members are there here? In this joint, how many members? 3. Here?
3 members.
Here?
4 members.
4. So here?
4.
4. Means we cannot apply hints here because here 4 is there. Here also 4 is there. We cannot apply. Here there are 3 members. But among 3, whether 2 members are in line?
No.
No. Means we
No,
cannot
sir.
apply first hint also. So coming to this joint. This joint. Okay. Don't jump at the support directly. Okay, directly. So how many members are there here? 3 members. Among 3, 2 are in line. I can?
No.
No. So
No,
here
sir.
there are 4 members. We cannot apply. Here there are 4 members. We cannot apply. Coming to this joint. How many members are meeting at this point?
3 and 2 and in line.
2 members are
in
2 members
line.
are there and there is a external load. So consider this is a member. Okay, and these 2 are in line, correct now? These 2 are in
Yes.
line.
Yes,
Then
sir.
force in third member is equal to
0.
0.
So when you consider this is 0 for this joint, how many members are meeting? 3 members.
2.
Among 3
3.
already 1 0 ho gaya. Remaining are 2 members.
2.
So in these 2
0.
members, coming to the second hint, if there is no
Yes, sir.
external load, only 2 members are there. The forces in 2 members is equal to 0. So in this joint, the one member is already 0. Remaining are 2. Is there any external load?
No.
No. It means
No, sir.
the force in this member is also 0. The force in this member is also 0. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The whatever load is there here, the same load is transferred to this member. Okay. So then coming to this point, coming to the force in this member is equal to 0 already. Okay. How many members are remaining here? These two are remaining, and this member is
Member.
remaining. So this and this member is both are in line, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then the force in third member is equal to 0.
0.
Then when
Yes, sir.
coming to this joint, how many members are meeting? 3 members.
Three.
Among three, this is already 0 ho gaya. Okay, remaining
Yes,
are these two. Is there
Two.
any external load?
No, sir.
No, means
sir.
the force in these two members is equal to 0.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then coming to this joint, already this member is having member forces. Okay. Coming to this joint, this member is already having 0. Okay. It means remaining are 1, 2, 3. Among these three, these two are in line. Okay. These two are in
Yes.
line. The force in this member is equal to 0. Okay. Then in this joint, there are 3 members. Among 3, this is already 0 ho gaya idhar. Okay. Means remaining is these two. Is there any external load? No load.
No,
Means
sir.
this is 0. This is 0. Okay. Then this is a roller support. For the roller support, how many reactions are there?
One.
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 It is vertical. Correct?
Vertical. Yes,
And
sir.
treat this as a member, and these two are in line.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
these two are in line. Then the force in the third member is equal to
Third member is 0.
0.
Now count how many members are there? 1, 2,
10
3,
members.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many? How many numbers of members are having 0 forces?
10.
10 members.
0 force members. Members is equal to 10. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay, coming to this point. Okay, coming to second figure. Yes. So in this joint, at a joint E, how many members are there? 2 members, and there is external load. But treat this as a member. Yeah, external force is member. Either 2 forces are in line.
No.
No, means we cannot apply hint 1 and hint 2. Coming to this joint, how many members are there?
4.
4.
4. Can we apply the hints?
Yes.
No.
No, we cannot apply. Okay, so here there is a roller support. Here there is a roller support. Okay, so how many here for the roller support? There is a one reaction. So total
One
how many
reaction.
members are there? 3 members. But among 3,
members.
2 are in line. Hai kya?
No, sir.
No.
No, means we cannot apply
No.
here also. Coming to this joint, how many members are there here?
3.
3. Among
Three.
3, is there any 2 members which are in line?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, these two are in line. Means they are carrying forces. The force in third member is equal to 0.
0.
Correct either?
Yes.
Yes,
Then,
correct, sir.
then so coming to the joint D. Among joint D, CD member is already 0. Then how many members are remaining at a joint D?
3.
3.
3.
Among 3, these two are in line.
Yes, sir.
Then force in this member is equal to 0. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Then coming to this point. Okay, already ho gaya. Because this is having member force, this is having member force, this is having member force, this is having member force. Again here there is a vertical reaction, and there is 3 joints, 3 members, but 2 are not in line. Means this is also having forces. How many are 0 member forces? 0 member forces.
The 2.
There are 2. What are those? What are those?
CD and AD.
CD
and
and
AD.
AD. Yes, AD. These two are processes. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Check down.
sir.
Check down. All of it. I will do one more problem. Have you taken?
Yes, sir. Take.
Okay. First and second completed.
Yes.
Okay.
थर्ड में पूरा आएंगे ना 0 मेंबर.
क्या बोले?
थर्ड में 4 0 मेंबर फोर्स.
हाँ, 0 member forces. Third problem. Find out the total 0 member forces in the third one.
4 आएंगे.
4. Okay. Yes, answer is 4. Next, any other answer?
वही है सर, वो पहले एग्जांपल के जैसा सेम है सर वो.
पहले एग्जाम इधर से. Okay.
हाँ सर, हाँ वो सेकंड नंबर की तरह.
Okay. Yes, yes. We will take it. Okay. See, at A, how many members are meeting? 2 members and 1 is external load. Whether 2 are in, is it in line?
No, sir.
No,
No,
we
sir.
cannot apply second or first also. At C point, how many members are meeting?
4.
4. Can you apply the hints?
No.
No.
No. At E, can you apply?
No.
No. At D, can you apply?
No.
No. At B, how many members are meeting?
3.
3 member.
Out of 3, 2 are in line.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, these 2 are in line. Means they are carrying forces. But force in third member is equal to 0.
0.
0.
Yes. Now coming to the joint C. Now this BC is already 0. How many joints are members are meeting at C?
3.
3.
3.
Three
Among
रहेगा.
3, 2 are in line.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes. The force in third member is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Next, coming to the joint D. Initially there are 4 members. Now CD member is 0 member. Then how many are remaining?
3.
3.
3.
Three.
Among 3, these 2 are in line.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. The force in third member is equal to 0.
Yes.
Yes. Coming to E. So now DE is a 0 member. Then remaining are 3 members. Among 3, these 2 are in line. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
force
Yes,
in 3, this member is equal to 0. Then
Yes.
total answer is equal to how many? 4 members.
4 members.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Take down. I will give one problem homework. One problem as a homework. You try. Okay. You can give namings to this all the joints, and you can calculate the total number of members which are carrying 0 member forces. I will give answers. Okay, you can identify what are the members which are carrying him. Can I give answer? आंसर चाहिए क्या?
नहीं सर.
No,
नो
sir.
सर, नहीं सर, कल दो अभी नहीं सर.
ओके ओके फाइन, ट्राई कर दीजिए. There is a force in this member. Okay, there is a force. And there is one more force. Today there is a midterm exam, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
The question paper will be little bit tricky. You have to carefully solve. There will be problems. Okay, there will be problems. So don't pick answers as it is. You have to calculate and you have to put the correct answer. It is not as much as easy as you have experienced in the ISC and UT. Okay, you have to carefully attempt the questions. Okay, take it as a homework, these problems. Can I go for the next problem? Is it completed? Anyhow, I will upload the video. At that time you can go read on this one. Okay, now I will go to next problem. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next I will take one more problem. I will solve by both the methods. You just observe all the steps. Okay, don't write down anything because for writing on all it will take time. So I will solve entire problem and I will upload the video. So you just once again go through the video and you can solve that problem. Okay, so now the time is very short. We have to complete a lot of things. I will solve one more problem with both the methods. If possible, you can write it.
सर होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम का आंसर दो ना हमें.
आंसर चाहिए क्या उसका? यस,
हाँ, उसका आंसर दो ना, चेक करते.
ओके. Just you take down this one. I will give that answers later. Because I have to draw the diagram and I have to. Solve किया है क्या वो problem? Have you solved?
क्या है सर?
Okay.
yes,
Number A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F. Okay. All the joints are pin joints. Vertical it is 4 meter, 4 meter. This is 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay. So So this is the problem you have to solve. Okay, just concentrate how to solve this one. You have to solve by method of joint. See, in this press, at A is which type of joint at A? Which type of support condition is there?
Hinged.
Hinged. At C, which type of which type of support is there?
Roller.
Roller. Okay. At C, how many support reactions are there for roller?
One.
One.
So whether is it
One.
vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
नाही सर
Vertical or
horizontal होती.
horizontal for a roller? Hmm? It is
Vertical.
perpendicular. It is perpendicular to the plane. See, for the C, horizontal C, the support is कैसे है? It is horizontal में है ना? The support is reaction will be like this. See, if this this is your roller support. Okay, this is your roller support. How will be the reaction? The reaction will be like this. Correct? Na? Then if this is your roller support inclined. So how will be your support reaction? This is perpendicular to your support. Next, in this problem, so this is your support condition. Okay, how will be the reaction? Exactly perpendicular to the support. Correct? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Whatever I have drawn, is it correct or no? But see, reaction will be horizontal.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
For A, how many reactions are there for A?
Two.
One is vertical and one is
Vertical and
horizontal.
horizontal.
And vertical.
Okay. Just whatever questions I am asking, you just give the answers. Okay, don't write down anything, just concentrate at screen. See, here he has given member C. C is having horizontal reactions, that is HC. Yet A is having support pinned hinged support. Vertical reaction is VA and horizontal reaction is HA. Okay, so you have to solve by method of joint. Okay, he has given by method of joint. Okay, so what is your first step? What is your first step?
Support reaction.
Support reaction.
Find support reaction. Support reaction. Don't write down anything, just concentrate. Okay, how to find out the support reactions? Yes, now tell me. So in order to find out the support reactions, what is my first step? Which equilibrium equation I have to consider? Sigma fx, fx, sigma fy, sigma m. See, sigma fx if I consider, this is HA is unknown, HC unknown. Okay, I will not get answer. So what I will take? So first of all, I will go with respect to moment about a point is equal to 0. See, at the E point, there is a vertical reaction. So the reaction is 20 kilonewton. This is 20 kilonewton is given in the figure. First, I will take moment about a is equal to 0. So that I will get the HC value. Moment about A is equal to 0. You can go any one of the equilibrium equations. Okay. Apply moment about A equal to 0. What are the forces? HC is force. Correct now? So this HC is moving the frame in a horizontal rotation in a clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. So minus HC into what is the distance between A to C? Perpendicular to A to C. 8 meter. Then is there any other vertical forces? Yes, at E there is a force. So this 20 kilonewton force, is it rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
So plus 20 into what is the distance between A to E?
6 meters.
6 meter. It is equal to 0. Okay, so now can we calculate HC is equal to, I will transfer this to other side. So 20 into 6 divided by 8. So what is the answer? 15.
Yes, sir.
HC is equal to 15 kilonewton. Okay, it means I have assumed it is HC. Horizontal, it is correct. It is towards the left side. I got answer also left side. Okay, it is correct answer. Is it clear? HC?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, which equilibrium equation will you apply? I have to apply VA. I need to find out. Okay, so you can find out VA or you can find out HA. So I will apply sigma HA is equal to 0. sigma summation of fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. Tell me, what are the forces which are moving in the horizontal direction? HA plus HA minus HC. And is there any other forces? Is there any other force? No, it is 0.
No.
So HA is equal to HA is equal to HA is equal to, what is HC value? I will transfer HC to the other side. It is 15 kilonewton. 15 kilonewton. So I got HA also. Then I have to find out the value of roll number 33, roll number 25, please. Okay. Next, I will go which equilibrium equation? Sigma Fy. Fy is equal to 0. So what are the vertical forces? VA plus VA plus VA. Next, this is 20 is moving downward, minus 20 is equal to 0. So VA is equal to 20 kilonewton. So I got all the support reactions. So next, second step is consider any one particular joint. So which joint will you consider? So you have to select a joint. The joint may be having only 2 members or at the maximum 3 members, unknown members. Okay. For the joint, how many equilibrium equations are available?
2.
2. What are those?
Sigma fx
Sigma
and sigma.
fx and sigma
Yes,
fy.
yes, correct. So when you go to the C joint, what BC is unknown, CD is unknown. You can find out because HC is already known. You can apply at C also. But at B, at D, at F, you cannot apply. You can apply joint A also because AB and AF are unknown. So you can consider E also because DE and EF are unknown. Okay. So I will consider joint D. Sorry, E. Okay. I will consider joint E. Okay. And I will draw the free body diagram. Okay. So how many members are meeting at E? 2 members. Okay. One is
Yes.
horizontal member and one more is inclined member and one is vertical downward force. Vertical downward force. Okay. So this is a joint. What are the member is E joint? Okay. I am considering tensile forces. The force in member DE. And one more horizontal is the force in member EF. Then vertically downward it is 20 kilonewton. Next, my step is I have to determine this theta. Correct? I have to determine this one. No? Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How if you find out this theta is equal to this theta, both are same.
Yes, sir.
Both are same. If this is equal to same, then this is also equal to same. Correct? Because these
Yes,
are
sir.
corresponding.
Yes,
This is
sir.
correct. So first you have to determine theta value. So theta is equal to how to find out this theta? Vertical is how much? 4 meter. Horizontal is how much? 3 meter. Tan inverse of 4 by 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse of 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3. So calculate what is the value of theta?
53.13.
53.13 degrees. Okay, you got this theta value. This theta value you got. Okay, you know this one. Then apply joint equilibrium equations. Okay, so which equilibrium equation will you apply? Sigma fx or sigma fy first? See,
Fy.
Sigma fy.
fx apply किया तो this is also having a component EF member. DE member is also having component. So you cannot find out. So first apply sigma fy. So sigma fy is equal to 0. So FDE is moving upward direction. So plus FDE DE. Sin theta or cos theta?
Sin.
Sin. What is the theta? 53.13. Okay. Then 20 kilonewton. Is it moving upward or downward?
Downward.
Downward. Is it positive or
Downward.
negative?
Minus
Negative.
20.
Negative. 20 is equal to 0. Then calculate value of FDE. FDE.
25.
Yes, 25 is correct answer. It is
25.
25. Is it positive or negative answer?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive means tension.
Tension.
Okay. Is it understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Next, which one is remaining? EF. So which equilibrium equation will you apply? Sigma
Fx.
Fx is equal to 0. So now apply sigma Fx. EF is moving left hand direction. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Force in member EF. Then FDE is also moving negative direction.
Negative.
So minus FDE DE sin or cos?
Cos.
Cos
Cos.
53.13 is equal to 0. I will transfer FEF to other side. FEF is equal to FD value is 25. So minus 25 into what is cos? Okay, put the cos 53.13. So calculate value of FEF. So
Minus 15.
F is equal to minus 15 kilonewton. That is nothing but it is 15 kilonewton force, which is nature is compression.
Compression.
Is it understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. This is one member force and this is another member force we found. Okay. Let E may find out over. Next, we have to apply it member. Which joint will you consider? You can consider any joint. I will consider joint C. Joint C में कितना है? 2 members है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maximum you have to apply for a joint which is having only 2 members. Joint C. So consider joint C. Don't write down. Just concentrate. Okay. Draw the free body diagram. It is joint C. So one is horizontal support reaction, and another one is downward. I will take tension force. Okay. So this is inclined force, and one more is downward force. The joint it is 0. Okay. So what is this HSC? What is the value of HSC? HSC is 15 kilonewton, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So then what is the value of FCD? This is force in member CD, and this is
CD.
force in member CB. Force in member BC or CB, both are same. Okay. So here, first what you have to determine is what you have to determine. You have to determine the value of this theta. This is the theta, correct? So here, theta is equal to, yes, when you want to apply the theta, this theta, so how will you apply? 3 divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse of 3 divided by 4. Okay. So I will not write theta here directly. You make it confusion. Okay. I will write directly here theta. So here, what is the value of theta? By looking at this figure, tan theta is equal to, this is 3, this is 4. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay. Or you can also write it as sin theta. Sin theta. What is sin theta? From this triangle, sin theta, this is 3, this is 4, this will be 5 meter. So sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta will
Yes,
be
sir.
4 by 5. Cos
Yes,
theta
sir.
is equal to, without calculating the angle, cos theta is equal to how much? No, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5.
4 by
4 by 5. Here also ऐसे लेके हम solve कर सकते हैं. Without calculating theta value, we can calculate like this also. Okay. So which equilibrium equation will you apply first? Sigma fx or sigma fy? Let's see.
Fx.
Fx.
Sigma.
Fy apply किया तो क्या होता? FBC is also having component FBC, and FCD is also having vertical component. Okay. इसके लिए first apply sigma fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. So when you apply fx is equal to 0, FBC with respect to this side you have to go. Okay. So theta is having vertically with respect to vertical. Then can you tell me what is horizontal component? Minus
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 FBC.
FBC.
Tell me.
Cos.
Minus
Yes.
50.
Yes. Cos or sin?
sin.
Sin. Yes. Very good.
Sin.
it is sin theta. It is sin theta. Okay, minus HC is equal to 0. Then minus FBC as it is sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? 3 by 5. Is equal to HC. What is the value of HC? 15. 15. So what is the value of FBC? FBC is equal to 25. 25
Yes,
minus 15 into 5 by 3. That is equal
Yes.
to minus 25 kilonewton. So force in member BC is equal to 25 kilonewton. That is in nature is compression.
And
Then I will apply sigma Fy is equal to 0. Sigma Fy is equal to 0. Okay, so looking at this figure, so apply sigma Fy is equal to 0. FCD is moving downward, minus
yes, sir. Minus.
FCD minus FCBC is also moving downward. Tell me,
Yes.
minus FBC cos
Cos theta.
theta is equal to
Cos
0.
0.
So this FCD I will transfer to the other side. So FCD is equal to minus, as it is minus. FBC is having minus
25.
25. Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So is it 20 kilonewton?
Yes, 20
Yes.
kilonewton, sir.
CD is equal to 20 kilonewton. Is it positive or negative answer?
Positive.
Positive. Tension or compression?
Tension.
Tension.
Tension. Very good. This is one answer. This is one answer. Everyone, is it understood? Everyone?
Yes,
Is there
sir.
anyone who is
Yes,
not
sir.
understanding? Is there anyone who is not understanding? सभी को समझ में आ रही है ना?
सर और 5 डिस्टेंस कहाँ से लिया आपने?
ये है ना? हाँ, ओके, वेरी गुड. Yes. ऐसे पूछना चाहिए. See, this is triangle. Is it visible? Whatever I am drawing.
Yes.
हाँ, अभी इधर कितना है? ये horizontal is 3 है. This is 4 meter है. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is inclined length? 5 हो जाए तो ना?
5. Yes, sir.
Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Next. Any other doubt? Okay. So I have determined these two members. Okay. Still, you have to apply these members and this member. Where will you apply the joint equilibrium equation? Which joint will you consider? You have to consider A only, because B is having 3 unknown members.
Yes, sir.
D is also having 3 unknown members. Okay, this F is also having 3 unknown members. We cannot apply, no. So A, joint A, you can consider. Don't write on anything, just consider, concentrate. Joint A. Okay. Yes. So at a joint A, how many are 4 members are there? At A, HA is moving in this direction, horizontal direction. VA is moving vertical direction. Then AB, I will take it is compression, that is tension force. AB is moving upward, and AF is moving away from the joint. Okay, so this is which joint it is? It is A joint. Okay, this is horizontal is HA. What is the value of HA? HA is 15 kilonewton. 15. And what is the value of VA? VA,
20.
it is 20 kilonewton. So what is this A? AF, force in member, AF. And this is, what is this force? Force in member, AB. सभी को समझ में आ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. So see, all are perpendicular to each other. So you can apply any of the equilibrium equation. I will take sigma Fx is equal to 0. Okay. So FAF, it is moving horizontal direction, positive direction. So plus
Yes,
FAF. HA is also moving positive direction. So plus
Yes, sir.
HA. HA
Equals to
plus HA is equal to 0. So AF as it is, I will transfer this HA to other side. It is minus. What is the value of HA? It is 15. So minus 15 kilonewton. So it means FAF, it is compression. 15 kilonewton. It is, nature will be compression. Okay. So this is compression. Okay. Next, which equilibrium equation will you apply?
Fy. Sigma Fy.
is equal to
My
0.
boy.
FAB is moving upward direction, positive. FAB
plus 20.
plus 20
20.
is equal to 0.
0.
So FAB is
AB
is
is
equal
equals
to
to minus
minus
20.
20
Minus
kilonewton.
20.
So FAB
compression.
AB is equal to 20 kilonewton. It is compression.
Compression.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is compression. Is it understood, everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A में दो members हो गया. Next is which member will you go? Will you go to F member? Yes, you can go to F member because unknown are BF and DF, or you can go to B joint. Unknowns are these two. Okay, so you can choose any one member. I will go to joint B. Go to joint B. Okay, let us joint B. BD I need to find out. What is the BC? How will be the BC? It is compression towards AB.
Yes.
AB is also compression. See, towards the joint. Okay, so this is one compression, and this is one compression, and one more is it is going away, and one more is going away. And this is also going away. Which type of joint it is? It is joint B. Okay. What is member? BC. What is the force in BC? 25 compression. AB 20 compression. So this is 25 kilonewton. This is 20 kilonewton. Then this is force in member BE, BD and BF.
Yes, sir.
BD and
BF.
force in member BF. Okay. So next, what you have to find out? You have to determine this is theta. Okay, I want this theta. So how to calculate this theta? So here joint B. Okay. So how to determine theta? So go to the figure. So this is theta. I want to find out. This is horizontal. This is vertical. Okay. So tan theta is equal to 4/3.
4/3.
Cos theta is equal to 3/5. Sin theta is equal to 4/5. Sin theta is equal to 4/5. Correct? I know?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will write all those things. So here cos theta is equal to 3/5 and sin theta is equal to 4/5 and tan theta is equal to आपको चाहिए तो tan theta भी लिख सकते हैं, that is equal to 4/5.
Yes.
4/3. Tan theta is equal to, this is 4, this is 3. Correct. Yes. Next, calculate. Which equilibrium equation will you apply? FBD, FBA. It is horizontal 2 and vertically there is 1. So sigma Fy is equal to 0. Summation of sigma Fy is equal to 0. Okay. What are vertical moving forces? 25. You have to determine this also. How much it is? Okay. So going to the figure. So how much it is? This angle you have to determine. 4. This is theta. Okay. You have to determine 4/5. I think joint C. Here you are determined no already. Joint C में आपको पता है.
Yes, sir.
3/5 कितना था देखो इधर. Joint C में कितना था देखो. 3/4. tan inverse of 3/4. आपको चाहिए तो वो भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो हाँ ये भी निकल सकते हैं. Don't go with that one. This value only.
36.86.
8 minutes. So this value you can find out. This is also 4/3. So same value 4/3. 4/3. Yes, same value tan theta is good.
Yes,
I want
sir.
this value. No, this is also theta. Same, both are same. Vertical it is 4. This is 3. 4/3. And sin theta is equal to 4/5. Okay, very good. The same answer will apply. Same answer. Okay. Now calculate sigma vertical downward forces. So what is the 25? 25 minus 25 sin theta or cos theta? It is downward vertical forces cos sin theta. Sin theta. Then this is 20 kilonewton moving upward direction. Is it positive or negative? plus 20. So upward moving. Okay. Then force in member BF, that is downward, minus force in member BF. So what is the downward? So this is theta is with respect to horizontal. Vertical is so sin theta.
Sin theta.
Sin theta is equal to 0. So you can apply minus 25 into sin theta is equal to 4/5
4/5
plus 20.
Yes.
I will transfer this to the other side. Force in member BF and sin theta is equal to 4/5. Okay, so solve this one. You will get force in member BF is equal to, yes, calculate. Zero. 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 into 4 is 20 minus 20 plus 20, it is 0.
0 आता है सर.
Correct है ना सभी?
Yes sir.
Yes, it is 0. So force in member VF is equal to 0 हो गया. Then you can apply another one. So what is that? Sigma Fx is equal to 0. Sigma Fx is equal to 0. So this is moving left hand direction, minus 25 cos theta. Cos theta. So FBD is moving positive direction, plus FBD. Okay, that is equal to 0. So force in member FBD D is equal to, I will transfer this minus 25 to other side, plus 25 into what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to 3/5. 3/5. So it is 5 into 3, 15 kilonewton. So
Yes, sir.
I'll get here on force in member BD is equal to 15 kilonewton. It is
Kilonewton.
tension. It is
Okay.
tension. It is tension. Understood everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next you have determined this also. So going to this one. You first you have determined these two. Next you have determined these two. Next you have determined these two. So you have determined these two also. So what is remaining? What is remaining? This FD. Okay, FD member is remaining. Can you tell me without calculating? Can you tell me the value of FD member? See at F, all of you concentrate. How many members are there? 4 members. Among this
4
one, this is 0 हो गया. Already 0 हो
Yes,
गया. Remaining are 3 members. Among 3 members, you
Yes,
have
sir.
determined this value. You have determined this value.
Good
Can you tell me?
answer.
Zero.
0.
0.
Zero.
By applying your hints, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
0 आने का. So we will check now whether we will get same answer or not. Okay, we will check. Okay, AF में कैसे था force? AF, it is compression. Next,
Yes.
EF.
Compression.
Where is that EF?
नीचे.
Yes, compression. Okay, this is also compression. This is also compression. Okay, this is also 15. This is also 15. Now we will check whether we will get the same answer or not. So consider joint. Which joint? Which joint?
F.
E or F? F joint. F joint.
Yes sir.
Yes, F. Joint F. Okay. So now apply. One is coming to this side and another one is also joint. Okay, this is inclined one don't take, and one more is it is vertical downward. Remaining one is moving upward direction. Okay, so this is joint F joint. So this is compression 15 kilonewton. This is also compression 15 kilonewton. This is a member force in member DF. Okay, D or FD, force in member FD. Okay, I have to determine this one. Yes. So which equilibrium equation apply? Fy is equal to 0. So what are vertical moving forces? Force in member FD is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have determined
Yes,
all the
sir.
member forces. Okay, so now what you have to do, you can draw the diagram and you have to mention all the member forces. Yes,
Yes, sir.
very soon I will draw this one. Okay, so this is one force, this is another member, Downward force. And is there any other forces? External force, only one force, eh, na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Roller.
Now you can mention this value. What is the value of HC? It is 15 kilonewton. What is the value of this one? 20 kilonewton.
Newton.
Then what is vertical force? It is 20 kilonewton. 20 kilonewton. What is this one? 15 kilonewton. Correct? Then
Yes.
this member force is equal to 0. This member force is equal to 0. Okay. This is compression. This is compression. The member is B. This is the D. This is C. This is E.
E.
This is F.
Yeah.
This is A. So A में कैसे है? It is going away from toward the joints. It is compression. Correct? है? Compression. It is 20 kilonewton. 20 kilonewton. Then A to F. A to F it is tension force. AF. It is tension. Tension or compression? AF. 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 It is compression. Compression means towards the joint. Compression means towards the joint. So what is the value? It is 15 kilonewton. 15 kilonewton. This is the joint. Then EF. EF में 15. This is compression. 15 kilonewton. Okay. Next ED. ED member. ED member is tension force away from the joint. Away from the joint. Tension 25 kilonewton. Okay. Then BC member. Can you tell me BC member? BC. BC member is compression. Compression means towards the joint or away from the joint? Compression.
Toward.
Towards the joint.
Towards the
So it is 25 kilonewton. 25 kilonewton. Then BD member. So how will be the BD member? BD. Yes, here it is. BF you have determined, and you have determined BD, and you have determined FD. Okay. So what is the value of BD member? It is tension 15. Tension means away from the joint. Away from the joint. It is 15 kilonewton. So you have determined all the member forces? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion to anybody?
No, sir.
So this is how you have to solve. Okay. I will upload this video. So you can once again go through the video and you can write down all the things. Yes, yes, tell me.
जॉइंट सी मध्ये सिग्मा एपेक्स ला असाइनमेंट घेतला आणि एफ वाय ला को
क्या बोली और
जॉइंट सी
ओके हाँ जॉइंट सी में हाँ बोलिए
सिग्मा एपेक्स को
हाँ सिग्मा एफएक्स यस 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 वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन सो एक्चुअली हम क्या लेते थे हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स को एफ कॉस थीटा एंड वर्टिकल को एफ sin थीटा लेते थे ना यस कंपोनेंट बट थीटा इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल रहता था ना करेक्ट अभी थीटा कैसे है थीटा कैसे वर्टिकल है तो इट विल गेट इंटरचेंज सो एफ बी सी sin थीटा आ गया सिग्मा एफएक्स को बिकॉज थीटा इज वर्टिकल एंड थीटा सिग्मा एफ वाई में क्या आ गया एफ इज वर्टिकल जिसके लिए क्या आ गया एफ बी सी cos थीटा आ गया समझ में if theta is horizontal you should take f cos theta and f sin theta horizontal vertical if theta is vertical then they will interchange okay understood
yes sir
yes very good next any other points yes okay if you want you can take the screenshot of this one okay all of you take the screenshot have you taken
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes next one take the screenshot have you taken
Yes, sir.
yes so now one task for you so you have to write this one okay in your notebook and you have to solve the same problem by method of section okay same problem लीजिए try करिए you should get same answer if you are not getting same answer means you are making any somewhere something mistake okay you have to go through that one will you try
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
I will
sir.
take another problem in the another class, but we will solve by the method of section. Okay, that is work for you. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Almost now time. So I will take attendance very quickly. $16. $38. $42. Absent numbers 16, 38, 42. This year absent numbers. Okay, 16, 38, 42. So remaining all of 7. So you solve this problem and attend for the next lecture. Okay. Is there any doubt to anybody? Okay. For your midterm, you are having this chapter also. Okay. That is method of section, method of joint, equilibrium case होने का. Next go through the MCQ questions, whatever I have attached in the teaching diary. सब लोग.
सर इस चैप्टर के एमसीक्यू नहीं दिए ना आपने?
नहीं अपलोडेड नहीं दिया.
यस नहीं सर.
चेक करो और एक बार. आई विल आल्सो चेक. ओके, मुझे अभी विद इन मिनट इधर ही चेक करना है.
यस सर.
आई विल ओपन दैट टीचिंग डायरी. यूनिट 2 पीपीटी है. यूनिट 2 MCQ. जस्ट मिनट. Yes, unit 2 MCQ है. Unit 3 का नहीं.
यस सर.
Yes, within a minute I will apply.
यस सर.
Within 5 minutes I will apply. Okay, very good. So, बोल के. So your exam will start at 6 o'clock. No?
यस सर.
Within that one, you can go through that.
यस.
Yes. Okay, fine. I will apply within 5 minutes. So can I wind up? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Time up. You can. Okay. Thank you all. Is it understood, everyone?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.